As I write this letter, my heart's beating wants to pass for my pen. Soon I'll be in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful song, I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, whatever did we part. I need reassuring. Those thoughts have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So